What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much, guys, for your love. Your guys' love has been amazing. We've hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Let's keep pushing. We're aiming to get to 2,000 subscribers. Let's keep going, guys. The sky is the limit. But anyways, today's topic, guys, I'm gonna share with you guys 5 important tips to get your finance in order, right? So I'm gonna take it from the top to the bottom, which is basically from the least to the most important tip. So stay connected. If you haven't pressed that subscribe button, smash that button, smash the notification bell, and stay connected. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into it. Okay, so tip number 5 being stay connected. So what do I mean by staying connected? Basically just means that subscribe on news feeds, anything that has to do with finance. Either could be me, right? Your YouTube content that deals with finance. You need to be connected on my content all the time. You need to be updated. You need to have that notification bell. News, you need to be following news that deal with finance. You need to know what's happening around your environment with anything that's including finance, right? In that way, it's going to help you know more about finance. It's going to help you build an interest with anything that has to do with finance. So you need to be connected, right? You need to stay connected. You need to build what we call it, a connection, if I can say that, a network, right? You need to have a networking group, people that love talking about finance, people that are going to help you know more about finance. So you building an interest in finance automatically, it manifests your brain in order for you to start thinking financially. So in every decision you're going to start making would be a financial decision. Do you understand what I mean? So that's your number 5. So make sure that you always stay connected. Make sure that you always subscribe to financial content. All right? Okay, so let's go to tip number 4. So number 4, basically dealing with research, right? So when you're dealing with research, right? So first, you have built some sort of a network, right? Where you have people speaking about finance. You are finding the types of financial instrument that you're more interested in, that makes you more comfortable, right? And then when you move on to research, so you basically finding out more information about them. So what are the advantages of this financial instrument? What are the disadvantages? How can I benefit on it? That's basically what you do. So you are finding out more. What are the ups and downs? What makes this investment good if it's an investment? If it's anything else, but when does it actually peak? When does it drop? When can we expect certain news about it? So you're doing more research. How does it pay? How can I benefit? How can I lose money? How can I gain money? So research is going to give you more information about this specific thing that you're looking into, right? It's going to give you more information about your finance. So the do's and don'ts as well, right? So you're basically building knowledge. You're building knowledge around the specific things that you found interest from the staying connected part. So from the subscriptions that you were involved in. So research is as important as staying connected. You're basically just taking it a step further, right? So that's basically it. And then now you've got the knowledge, you connected, and then you've got your research. Then what is the next thing that's going to help you get your finance to the next level? That's when it comes to number 3. So my number 3 is minimize cost. Now, what am I talking about when I say minimize cost? I actually call it cleaning up your trash. So this is when you start looking at the type of things that you do, your lifestyle basically. You start saying, okay, fine, this is where I'm wasting most of my money. This is where most of my money is going, right? Your habits that have a lot of finance. That's when you go, you jump into those things and you start minimizing. So you're cleaning up your trash. Alcohol, minimize. If you're one of those guys that like myself, I used to be like that. You like going out a lot of times. Every weekend you wanna find yourself in parties. You wanna find yourself buying a lot of alcohol. You minimize that. I'm not saying cut it off completely. I'm just saying minimize it. Do it once in a while. It does not need to be done every day. Some of you have obsession with sneakers. You minimize buying sneakers. I'm sure you've got enough sneakers. Just minimize it, right? Don't just always buy sneakers. Just buy it like once in a while. You minimize all those things. Going out you could love going out like for adventurous stuff. You want to go to game reserve. You want to do your whatever that you like doing. Like if you feel like it's something that you are overdoing, you can do less of, and it really requires most of your finance. If it's not that important, minimize it. Do not cut it off completely. I mean, have a life, right? But minimize it, right? So the whole point of this is to minimize your cost. The less cost you have, the better. All right? And that's just how it is. Okay, so now let's go to the next point. My number 2, increase your income. Increase your income. Increase your income. I can't emphasize that because you need to have as many multiples of incomes as possible. It just makes everything easier. The more money coming in, the better your finance, right? So what am I talking about? Invest. Get a business. Get a side business. Have a salary. If you've got a salary, that's good. Don't lose your salary. Get other incomes onto your salary. So get as many incomes as possible. Invest. Get dividends, right? Trade. I'm a trader, so keep trading. That's additional income, right? Have a side business. Have a business of something that you feel like you can manage, right? While you're doing your main job or your main source of income, right? Have something on the side, right? Whether you do bets, right? You do bet trade, just don't lose more money than you make. I mean, that's where your financial management comes in, right? But make sure that you always have as many multiple of income as possible. It makes your life easier. You won't be a millionaire with one source of income. It doesn't happen. It doesn't. You need more than one source of income to be a millionaire, to be a billionaire, to be a trillionaire, to be a whatever that comes after that, right? So make sure that you have as many multiples of income as possible. Do your research. You can go back to step 4. Do your research, right? Find out what other ways can you make money. There's a lot of ways to make money online. If you are a social media person, you can make money on social media. You can sell your space, advertising space. There's so many things that you can do. Just make sure that you always have a source of income. Just get another source of income. Let's go to number 1. Now, my number 1, the most important tip to get your finance in order. I'm speaking about discipline. That's my number 1. So, we've spoke about staying connected, which is your number 5. We've spoke about doing your research, which is your number 4. Spoke about minimizing cost, which is your number 3. We spoke about maximizing your income, which is number 2. Now, in order for you to stay consistent in maintaining all those 4 points, you need the discipline. Discipline is the most important thing when it comes to finance. You need to be able to say no, right? No matter what, if you're walking into a store and into a Nike store and you see this beautiful Nike that you love and you're a Nike fan, you should be able to say, not today. I did not budget for you, so I'm not going to buy you. Simple as that. You walk into a pub and you see this lovely cocktail or this nice beer, you should be able to say, I'm not even going to walk into this pub in the first place, right? Because I've got the discipline to walk away. So walk away. Discipline is what's going to get you to become financial, be successful in finance, right? Financial management, the most important thing that you need to be disciplined. That is the most important point. I mean, that's what's going to drive you. You need to be disciplined. You need to know when to say no and when to say yes, right? You need to know that. The more you know that, the easier it becomes. The more you'll start seeing your financial journey change, right? Because you'll be making better decisions. You need to make better financial decisions. Anything that includes finance, anything that involves you paying money, you need to make sure that you think about it. You don't just say, no, it's cool. Let's just do it. You need to know that you can afford to do it. So you need to have a budget, right? Because that's what's going to drive your discipline. Anything that's out of your budget would mean that you need to be disciplined enough to say, no, I'm not going to do that. All right. So those are my 5 important points, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you on the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you once more for your support. I'll see you guys in the next video and lots of love.